Uniswap value equivalent to $6.5308 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $6.3937, $6.6962. The earlier day close: $6.5779. The change was 0.0471, 0.72%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to unit. Uniswap value expectation for 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, and 2028. Uniswap conjecture for April 2024. At the outset, cost at $5.80. Excessive cost $7.20, while low cost $5.80. The normal for the month $6.38. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.73, change for April 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2024. In the first place, cost at $6.73. Exorbitant cost $6.73, while low cost $5.83. The normal for the month $6.39. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $6.27, change for May 6.8%. Uniswap gauge for June 2024. To start with, cost at $6.27. Exorbitant cost $6.85, while low cost $5.95. The normal for the month $6.37. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $6.40, change for June 2.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else, cost at $6.40. Excessive cost $7.13, while low cost $6.19. The normal for the month $6.60. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $6.66, change for July 4.1%. Uniswap estimate for August 2024. First and foremost, cost at $6.66. Excessive cost $8.27, while low cost $6.66. The normal for the month $7.33. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $7.73, change for August 16.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for September 2024. To start with, cost at $7.73. Exorbitant cost $8.68, while low cost $7.54. The normal for the month $8.02. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $8.11, change for September 4.9%. Uniswap gauge for October 2024. In the first place, cost at $8.11. Exorbitant cost $8.85, while low cost $7.69. The normal for the month $8.23. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $8.27, change for October 2.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at $8.27. Excessive cost $9.07, while low cost $7.89. The normal for the month $8.43. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $8.48, change for November 2.5%. Uniswap conjecture for December 2024. At the outset, cost at $8.48. Excessive cost $9.22, while low cost $8.02. The normal for the month $8.59. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $8.62, change for December 1.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2025. In the first place, cost at $8.62. Exorbitant cost $9.24, while low cost $8.04. The normal for the month $8.64. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $8.64, change for January 0.2%. Uniswap figure for February 2025. Initially cost at $8.64. Excessive cost $10.72, while low cost $8.64. The normal for the month $9.51. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $10.02, change for February 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2025. In the first place, cost at $10.02. Exorbitant cost $11.04, while low cost $9.60. The normal for the month $10.25. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $10.32, change for spring 3.0%. Uniswap figure for April 2025. Before all else, cost at $10.32. Excessive cost $11.48, while low cost $9.98. The normal for the month $10.63. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $10.73, change for April 4.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2025. To start with cost at $10.73. Exorbitant cost $12.36, while low cost $10.73. The normal for the month $11.34. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $11.55, change for May 7.6%. Uniswap gauge for June 2025. In the first place cost at $11.55. Exorbitant cost $13.01, while low cost $11.31. The normal for the month $12.01. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $12.16, change for June 5.3%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2025. At the outset cost at $12.16. Excessive cost $12.16, while low cost $9.50. The normal for the month $11.01. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $10.21, change for July 16.0%. Uniswap estimate for August 2025. First and foremost cost at $10.21. Exorbitant cost $12.67, while low cost $10.21. The normal for the month $11.23. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $11.84, change for August 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for September 2025. In the first place cost at $11.84. Exorbitant cost $11.84, while low cost $9.67. The normal for the month $10.94. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $10.40, change for September 12.2%. Uniswap estimate for October 2025. To start with cost at $10.40. Exorbitant cost $10.40, while low cost $8.16. The normal for the month $9.43. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $8.77, change for October 15.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2025. At the outset cost at $8.77. Excessive cost $8.77, while low cost $6.85. The normal for the month $7.94. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.37, change for November 16.0%. Uniswap conjecture for December 2025. Before all else cost at $7.37. Excessive cost $8.27, while low cost $7.19. The normal for the month $7.64. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $7.73, change for December 4.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $7.73.